Let me ask you a simple question. Have you ever walked away from a conversation thinking, I said everything right, so why did she suddenly lose interest? You texted first. You kept the conversation alive. You replied quickly. You tried to be funny. You complimented her. You gave her attention. In your mind, you were doing exactly what every dating tip tells you to do. But somehow, the harder you tried, the colder she became. Meanwhile, another guy barely says anything. He isn't chasing. He isn't trying to be the funniest person in the room. Yet girls naturally start conversations with him. They smile when he walks in. They seem relaxed around him. So what's the difference? It isn't better looks. It isn't money. And most of the time, it isn't confidence either. It's something much simpler. He isn't trying to convince anyone to like him. Most guys don't realize this, but attraction starts disappearing the moment your entire focus becomes winning someone's approval. The more your happiness depends on whether she texts back, laughs at your joke, or notices your Instagram story, the more pressure she feels without you ever saying a word. People are naturally drawn toward those who already seem comfortable with themselves. Think about the last time you met someone who looked completely relaxed in a room full of strangers. They weren't the loudest person there. They weren't trying to dominate every conversation. They simply looked like they belonged. That feeling is contagious. Instead of walking into a room wondering, how do I make everyone like me? Ask yourself a different question. Who do I actually enjoy talking to? That tiny shift completely changes your body language. You stop scanning the room for validation. You stop forcing conversations. You become more curious than nervous. And curiosity is far more attractive than desperation. The next mistake is talking too much. When people become anxious, they often fill every second with words. They explain every joke. They tell 3 stories when one would have been enough. They panic the moment silence appears. But silence isn't your enemy. Comfortable silence tells the other person that you aren't afraid of the moment. Imagine sitting with someone at a coffee shop. You ask her about her weekend. She answers. Instead of instantly jumping into another story about yourself, you pause for a second, smile, and actually think about what she said before responding. That tiny pause feels surprisingly rare today. Most people listen just long enough to wait for their turn to speak. Very few people actually pay attention. And attention is one of the most attractive things you can offer another human being. Another habit that quietly ruins attraction is making one person your entire world too quickly. You've probably seen it. Every notification is from the same person. Every plan depends on whether she's free. Every conversation somehow circles back to her. At first it feels romantic. Eventually it starts feeling heavy. Healthy attraction needs space, not because playing games works, but because people naturally value relationships that fit into a full, meaningful life instead of replacing one. Keep seeing your friends. Keep working toward your goals. Keep enjoying your hobbies. When someone sees that your happiness doesn't depend entirely on them, your attention starts feeling genuine instead of needy. Here's something most people never think about. The most attractive people aren't constantly trying to appear attractive. They're focused on enjoying the moment they're already in. They're laughing because something is actually funny. They're telling a story because they genuinely enjoy telling it. They're listening because they're interested, not because they're following some dating strategy. Ironically, that's exactly what makes people memorable. Now let's talk about rejection. Most men fear rejection so much that they start changing their personality before anyone has even rejected them. They agree with everything. They avoid playful disagreement. They apologize too much. They hide their opinions. But attraction isn't built by becoming everyone's favorite person. It's built by becoming comfortable with the possibility that not everyone will like you. And that's okay. The moment you stop treating every interaction like a test you have to pass, conversations become lighter. You smile more. You think more clearly. You stop performing. And people notice the difference. So if you only remember one thing from this video, let it be this. Stop asking yourself, how do I make her like me? Start asking yourself, am I enjoying this conversation? Am I being myself? Am I treating the other person with genuine curiosity and respect? Because attraction rarely grows from trying harder. It grows when someone feels relaxed, respected, and comfortable around you. Work on becoming someone who enjoys life whether one person chooses you or not. Ironically, that's often when people begin choosing you. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more psychology-based relationship advice. Now click on this video because this video shows 7 grooming habits women notice instantly. Don't miss this one. Do subscribe.